Welcome, in this video I will show you how to adjust brightness in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. First, open settings by either pressing F3 button on your keyboard or by pressing the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen in the main menu of the game. Once you enter settings, go to Grop Fix, and in Grop Fix, in the display tab, find gamma/brightness level. Tap on it, and then adjust your brightness by moving the slider either to the right to increase it or to the left to decrease it. It's recommended to set the brightness to the level where the middle logo in the middle is barely visible. So in my case it's around 48. Click apply, and also you can change display gamma from 2.2 to 2.4. If you are using a computer, then set it to 2.2. If you are using a TV, it's recommended to change it to 2.4. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.